Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, crypto assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today, we will dive more into the Optimism Quests by diving into the last section, master options, perps, and more. There are 6 quests available in this section. We'll probably split this into 2 videos. Like I said in previous videos, I still have a couple more to go through on here. I'll be doing individual videos on probably QiDao and Hop and Beethoven. Beethoven I'll have to do individual videos for because we have to split it into 3 months. So we'll cover those later on. Now today, depending on what we have time for, I'll get at least 3 done. I might just do 3. That way we can split this into 2 videos. So in this last section, we got 6 quests in Synthetics, Lyra, Quenta, Perpetual Protocol, Pika, and Polynomial. I know I got some questions before about Lyra, so we'll dive into that today. We'll do these first 3, Synthetics, Lyra, and Quenta. And like I said in the last video, it seems like they're still having errors with this, so when you pull up the video or pull up this page, you'll get these error getting quest tokens. So just go to the galaxy.com and the Optimism campaign. You should be able to get it there from your from your wallet. But scroll down, we'll go to Synthetics first, click on here, and you should see which ones you have eligible to be claimed. So I'll open this guy too. I like the look of the Optimism one. So we're gonna have to stake at least 100 synthetics. Interesting. So Synthetics is a decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol built on Ethereum and Optimism. These synthetic assets are collateralized by the Synthetics Network token, SNX, which when locked in the contract enables the issuance of synthetic assets, or synths. Synths are financial instruments which tracks and provides returns for another asset without requiring you to hold the native asset. These take shape in 2 primary ways, spot synths and futures markets. This pooled collateral model allows users to perform conversions between synths directly with the smart contract, avoiding the need for counterparties. This mechanism solves the liquidity and slippage issues experienced by decentralized exchanges. SNX holders are incentivized to stake their tokens as they are paid a pro rate portion of the fees generated through activity on synthetics from integrators like Quenta, Lyra, Curve, D-Hedge, and many others. Now, what are the 2 primary assets that Synthetics enables? Spot synths and future markets. So C, how can traders use Synthetics? By accessing the trading platform built on Synthetics like Quenta, Lyra, or Polynomial. So C again. Now, I don't have Synthetics, but we'll go ahead and see what the price of Synthetics is. Let's see. Let's check out the trading view. Check out the trading view, see what the price is. And we got a little pullback on Bitcoin. So looking at Bitcoin, we got a little pump this morning, but we'll check that out. So SNX, USDT, so that's Synthetics. So we're looking at about $227 or so. I'll actually need to move some funds over to complete this because I don't have enough on here, but that's okay. So we'll actually come back to this and do another video on it. So we'll go back to all quests. So yeah, the synthetics, you're going to need a minimum of 100 synthetics and claim weekly rewards at least twice. So for about 2 weeks, you'll need it saved up. And synthetics is pretty close to lows. So we'll do that at a later video. Might be able to do all these today, I don't know. So we'll check out Lyra. We'll leave that. We'll go back, check out Lyra. Lyra is an application for trading options on Optimism. Lyra allows traders to buy and sell options that are accurately priced with the first market-based, skew-adjusted pricing model. Lyra also quantifies the risks incurred by liquidity providers and actively hedges them, encouraging more liquidity to enter the pool. So that's cool. It hedges against the risk of having your stuff in the liquidity pool. So what's the main use case for options? Speculation, risk management, earning yield, all of the above is D, because you can essentially do that with all options. And which of these is not a type of option? Call, put, cash infused call, cash secured put, cash infused call. So to complete the quest, trade at least $100 or more of USD equivalent in premiums on Lyra. So let's see. Let's go. I'm gonna open this up on the. Oh, and then you gotta follow Lyra on Twitter. Is that right here? Yeah. Okay. So we'll do the easy part first. Follow them on Twitter. If you're not following the blockchain report, follow us at the BCR142 for all the latest and greatest. So now that we got that, we'll go here, connect our wallet, the MetaMask. Next, connect. Make sure I'm on this network. Yep, I'm on the Optimism network. Okay, so what you want to do is trade. So it just says trade at least 100 or more of USD equivalent in premiums on Lyra. So I'm just going to pick one here. Let's see where Ethereum is at. Is this just Ethereum? Okay, and Bitcoin. So let's just look at Ethereum real quick. We're going to get a little, check the prices. So I'm not really looking to hold any of this long, so I'm just going to get this call right here. 1450. It's a nice little this expires October 1st. Okay, here we go. Actually, I don't really care. Let me check this guy out. So AUSD, USDC. Okay, so I got 84.90. So I'm just gonna buy one contract I'm just gonna buy and sell this because, well, maybe. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. So I just picked an option. I'm gonna do a couple since I don't have over 100 in this, but I'll do a couple. Let me see. I'll do a couple orders that'll equal 100. So now I buy the call. Oh, I guess I was supposed to put 1 in there. Confirm. Transaction was successful. Okay. Yeah, I'm. Oh, actually, I'd like to see this in the Explorer, because if I have other tokens in here that are staked, I don't think I have anything staked. Oh yeah, I got this my. Yeah, I don't. Okay, let me see what this is at now. Yeah, I'm just gonna close this, and then the fee. I'm just gonna close with a $3 loss. Yeah. Close your position. Yes, proceed. Okay. Yeah, make sure you have enough. I don't know if I've mentioned this before. If I failed to mention it previously, I apologize, but make sure you have enough Ethereum in here to cover transaction fees. I think maybe 0.05 might be like $50 or so. Um, just to have for all your transaction fees, just to be safe. So close that position. Now I'm going to open another one, and this one will be the same. Oh, maybe. Let me see here. Okay, I gotta swap. I gotta swap it out. Swap it out. Swap to stable. Sorry if this takes a minute. Oh, fuck yeah. Can just swap this. View, swap, approve. Yeah, and if you have anything in other tokens besides Ethereum, just try and swap it out if you need to. This is all kind of to show you guys how to do everything, and there you go, swap it. And just different things to look out for in case you need to move funds real quick or swap tokens. This is a good little walkthrough. Okay, done. So now I switch to USD. Oh, now I need to. Sorry about this, but I need to swap the synthetic. I'm just gonna put it all over here. Optimism, and make sure right here that you keep it in the Optimism network, because this is the different networks. You just want to change the coins right here. So make sure you do that. And get this swap going. So that approves, hit swap. Come over here. And then approve, and then once this says complete, yep, hit done. You'll have your USDC right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh this to see what's going on. Okay. I'm just gonna buy one out here that's less volatile. Okay. So I'll go with this one that's a little less volatile, a little further out, maybe, actually. If it moves too much, there we go. Let's do some USDC. I'm gonna buy a call. And you can buy a put. I wouldn't do any selling. I would not sell a call or a put right now. Okay. Now once this confirms, you see I've already bought one position. I already bought one position, and this is my second one. So let's see if this will give me the quest. Yes, I got the quest. So yeah, you can split your trades up. If you only have $30, do 4 different positions that equal $100. Just buy and sell 4 different times. But now I will close this because I don't want to have this open. That's fine. What's Ethereum doing? Yeah. Sell the max. Yeah. It's all right. $5 spend on this. Maybe $10 total with all the fees. I'm okay with that. So now I have no positions open, right? There you go. Position closed, profit loss. Oh, interesting. Okay. So and then you can go here to your portfolio and see go in here, trading rewards. Oh, look. And it appears that Lyra's fee rebate program allows traders to earn back part of their fees as staked Lyra and OP tokens every 2 weeks. Beautiful. That's really cool. So yeah, check in your rewards to to see. That's really cool. And all right, so make sure you disconnect from here now that we are done with that, and look at Ethereum starting to go. So let me claim this Lyra. I hope that was clear for you guys. I don't know if you could probably do it with $20, but it would just take a lot more trades and you might end up costing you. So if you have 50, 60 bucks, you do a couple trades on there like I just did. If you have less, you might need to do 1 or 2 more trades, but hopefully that helped you guys. And now that Lyra is done, we will move on to the next one. Quenta. Let's go back to Galaxy. Go back to the Galaxy. Optimism Quests. All right. Quenta Optimism Quests. Learn about Quenta. Quenta is a decentralized trading platform offering synthetic perpetuals and spot trading on Optimism. Users can trade a variety of assets against Chainlink Oracle prices with up to 25x leverage. Quenta uses the SUSD stablecoin. And be careful using leverage. If you're not experienced, don't use it. By building on top of both 1inch and synthetics, Quenta is able to find users the best price on their exchange. Swaps that would otherwise require multiple transactions and manual routing are accomplished effortlessly in a single transaction. So test your knowledge. What stablecoin is used on Quenta? BSUSD. Where does liquidity on Quenta come from? Synthetics. D. All right. Now complete the quest. Open a futures position of 100 USD or more equivalent on Quenta. Follow Quenta on Twitter and join the Discord server. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and follow them on, where's it at? Okay. So tasks, open a futures position. Yeah, like I previously stated. Note, on-chain task will be changed when cross-margin launches. Once cross-margin launches, the task will be switched to open 100 notional in a cross-margin wallet. So having $100 or more available in cross-margin wallet. And we can dive into that a little bit later. We'll open up that. We'll get the Twitter and Discord. Join their Discord. I'll hop into their Twitter. Twitter, been around, okay, 2.5 years. Over 1,000 tweets. I can dig it. I can dig it. So it's good to see they've been building something 2.5 years. They got 26.5K followers. Okay. Continue to Discord. Let's get this popping. Let's get this popping. So we go into Quenta. Start here. Complete this step. Agree to the rules. And I believe that is it. Yep. So now check these to make sure. I wonder if it'll. Oh, it's okay. All right, so we'll do some of the tasks first, or we'll do this task. So open a futures position. So go to Quenta. So they trade commodities, Forex, crypto, and more with up to 25x leverage and deep liquidity without the risk of your assets being frozen. Now that's all debatable in the world of crypto, especially right now. So I wouldn't hold my breath on that. Let me close out of this. No, that might take a minute. Okay. So open a futures position. Now okay, so go to Quinta Exchange. If you need SUSD, okay, I have 20 in Velodrome. I'm gonna swap this for my USDC. Gonna change the max. Okay, so I need at least $100 or more of US or of SUSD in order to get this done. So I'm swapping this, okay, to USDC. That way I have looks like it's going to take a second. Doesn't look like it's been confirmed yet. Check my history, spot. Doesn't look like it has changed yet. Well, that's weird. Okay, I'll just change this. Okay, now it changed, so that's weird. Oh, it's the same thing. Okay, go to USDC. We'll go with 80. 82. So that way I have let's wait for this to finish. I'll refresh a little bit to see. Let's see, this is being funky. Okay, we got those two. I don't know what the deal is, the dealio, but this is, for some reason, it's not wanting to do this. Swap. I want USDC. I want to swap USDC for SUSD, but there we go. Yeah, these things can be tricky sometimes. Okay, now open a futures position. So futures up here, I'll go ahead. Since we're already here, I'm just going to open up this OP. Oh, isolated margin. Okay, so, okay, this is not cross margin, but this is, so we'll just deposit the max in here. So you want to deposit margin by this isolated margin, and then put at least, I would put 101 or 102. So that way you can open a margin position or futures. Yeah, position. You can, there is margin available, but I wouldn't do that. So So I want to buy at least 100. Oh no, no. So I'll do 118. That way it's 102. So market, you can do next price. I'm just going to do market price. Here, I'll do 120. That way it's 103. Okay, so I'm only using no, I don't want to use any margin. I just want to use, so I just want to use 1x. That's it. So open position, confirm order. Yeah, don't use any of the 2x, 5x, 10x or whatever. Okay. There's my position open. That is a futures position. Remember, you have to deposit in the isolated margin to have your funds available. I don't know what it got me in at. Let's see the orders or trades. Okay, just 87 flat. That's fine. It shows your positions right here. Now let's see. Let's check back here. Did it give it to me? Not yet. Maybe after you refresh it for a little bit. We'll keep an eye on that. And I'll refresh this to see what's going on. Nope. Yeah, sometimes these snapshots will take a minute. And so if I want, I can close this. I'll just go ahead and close it. Well, no, I won't close it yet. I want to wait for this to show up. Just gonna keep hitting this. Close out. Oh, disconnect from here. I hope that I didn't have to. Oh, additional rewards. Earning the league role in Quenta's Discord. So if you want to spend some time in their Discord and actually, let's go to their Discord. Let's check out their Discord for a minute, because this will be the last part of the video I do. So we'll go in here, just kind of look around. Status, no. Rules. See, do they have a lot of people in here? Looks a little active. Okay. Let's see here. Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? Maybe I gotta close it? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I'll go ahead and close this because we're not really getting any headway. We have no open positions, so I close that. Doesn't look like this is moving very much. I wonder how accurate that is. All right. Are you gonna give it to me, Quenta? Just gonna withdraw this. Just gonna withdraw that. So that'll be back up here. Now, you might have to wait on that. So who are these? Let's see the different roles. So they said the league role. Oh, so you'll get the league role by completing this. Cool. That's real cool. It looks like we might have to wait on this one because it is not refreshing. Okay, so welcome to Galaxy Explorers. The trade task is updated manually, making the NFT unavailable to claim immediately after completing all required steps. Please wait 48 hours for eligibility to be updated. If you can't claim your NFT after that time, please reach out. So there you go. We'll have to check back on this on the next video. But after this, we got Perpetual Protocol, if this can get out of my way, Pika, and Polynomial. So trade perpetuals on Perp Protocol, use Perp swaps on Pika, and use option vaults on Polynomial. But I hope that cleared up some stuff today. Yeah, and just be on the lookout for these other videos. There's an airdrop video I want to do this week too. It's for ZK Sync or ZK Stark. We'll go ahead and check this real quick. Olympio. Now the ZK or the Stark token, that one's debate on whether or not that's really worth doing. But the ZK Sync, we might try some of these protocols in here. But yeah, a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to disconnect out of here when you leave. Quenta. And yeah, we'll keep an eye on that and claim it when it's ready. But that'll be it for me today. I appreciate y'all for hanging out. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.